Print on demand or drop shipping? Which one is the better business model for you in 2025? Let's get into the pros, the cons, the ups, the downs, and all the categories so you can decide which business model you're gonna get into and actually make money in this year. Hi, my name is Asia Abston. I am the CEO of the Lux Life Academy. That's my online school for aspiring entrepreneurs learning how to make money online the smart way. And I've done both drop shipping and print on demand, and I can tell you a lot about both these business models. So let's get started. What is print on demand? Print on demand is a subset of e-commerce where you take blank products and print them when people order them. So you'll take a blank product like a hat, put your logo or design on it, and then once a customer orders that item, it gets shipped out to them. That's why it's called print on demand. So instead of having a bunch of items sitting in a warehouse somewhere, you don't actually mock up or print the item until someone orders it from you. And what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is a subset of e-commerce where you, as the owner, do not hold or ship the items that you sell in your store. Instead of having traditional bulk inventory where you buy 1,000 of something, you are only shipping out an item when a customer has already ordered it from you. So in a way, these two subsets of e-commerce have a lot of similarities in that an order is not shipped until somebody buys it from you. So that's a win. And you don't have to hold any inventory whatsoever. But there are still a lot of differences between these two parts of e-commerce. So let's dive all into them. But first, before we go too far in this video, I've got to tell you my personal thoughts on print on demand. Print on demand is great, but it is extremely hard to really make money in it because the items are basic hats, t-shirts, mugs, simple things that you can put a logo on. But who wants to use your logo? Like, what audience do you have that is so excited to wear your logo or your design or your piece of slang that you put on a t-shirt? So if you don't have an audience, I want you to keep in mind what is happening in this video and what I'm breaking down for you. Like my brand, for instance, across social media, I've got like 200,000 followers. I've got a print on demand brand of logos and sayings and things that people love to hear from me. And that works because I have a built-in audience. If you're starting from scratch, keep in mind, is my logo or my slang or my design so cool that people who don't know me would want to buy it and wear it? Food for thought. Not to discourage you, but just food for thought as we move through this video. The first category that we're going to use to compare these two options is customization. So with print on demand, you can do significant customization to the item that you're trying to sell. So again, let's say you're taking a mug. The print on demand company has a mug or a hat or a t-shirt or a rug, and it's a blank white item. And you can take your logo or your design or your saying in any color, in any words, and you can have them printed and customized directly on that item. So the possibilities are endless. Whatever colors, whatever words, whatever style you want to put on that item is totally available to you. So that amount of customization is chef's kiss when it comes to print on demand. Now for drop shipping, that is not true. In drop shipping, we are selling items that already exist. So air fryers or mugs or comforter sets that are already built out, already designed. So there's no way for you to customize them. It doesn't really exist in our industry. Potentially you can customize the packaging, but even that is very rare when it comes to drop shipping. So the winner in this category for customization is definitely print on demand. Category 2 is product range. So the winner here is very clearly drop shipping. Why? Because when you get on these print on demand platforms, you likely have between 20 to at the most 100 different items that you can print on demand with. They might be in categories like clothing or home goods, and that's really about it. You're pretty limited to the products you can sell. Whereas in dropshipping, there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of different products that you can sell. I mean, look around the room that you're in right now. 99% of the items in that room can be drop shipped. So there's no limit whatsoever in what you can sell as a drop shipper, except for like food, okay? Because that's gonna take too long to get to people. But other than that, as long as it's not a perishable item, it can be drop shipped. So the winner in this category, 100% drop shipping. Category 3 is profit margins. Let's talk about the money. Which one of these two, print on demand or drop shipping, offers the best profit margins? And the answer is absolutely drop shipping. Because in print on demand, you're not buying, but you are using and reselling a finished product. That coffee mug that you're selling is likely already $12, right? And now you have to put your logo on it, and that's free. That comes with the service. But how much more money can you sell that mug for? There is a max that anybody is willing to pay for a simple coffee mug with a cool logo or cool design on it. So you don't have a ton of wiggle room to make money in print on demand. With drop shipping, on the other hand, you are building out your entire business and in your entire brand in whatever way you see fit. So yes, there are still profit margins involved, but they can be significantly higher because you can do things like offering the world's best customer service or offering unique styles of branding and making your customer have a different, more luxurious experience. And that way you can make more money in your business than you ever could on the print on demand side. Also in drop shipping, it's a lot easier to do things like offering upsells, cross sales, and bulk discounts. And these are back-end ways that people in e-commerce make more money for every single item that they sell. So the winner here, drop shipping. Now, if you're already like, yes, Asia, sign me up to learn drop shipping, I got you. I've got a brand new free training that is available right now, and you can join me. And there's just so much to teach you. I can't do it all in this 10-minute video. So if you'd like to learn more about drop shipping, click the link below and dive into my free training. Our next category to compare these two is shipping times. Now, shipping times are a big deal and beginners often get really stressed about this. So let me break it down for you. With both of these sets of e-commerce, shipping times are going to be longer than, say, traditional bulk inventory, where you've got 5,000 of something sitting around in a warehouse and you could just personally go over there and make the order and go right to the post office, right? That's not a thing in print on demand or drop shipping because we don't hold our own inventory. But there are still some other variations that we have to keep in mind. With print on demand, the company that's printing the item for you is also printing that item for the hundreds or thousands of other customers that they have in their business. So just because you place an order on Monday at 9 a.m. doesn't mean that they're going to print your order instantly Monday at 9 a.m. It might take 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. You don't know, and you don't have control of when that item is actually printed or shipped. And with drop shipping, of course, the items are frequently coming from overseas so that buyers can get the largest product range and make the most money. They are often ordering items from overseas. So that is going to be a significant amount of shipping wait time for your customers. But a pro tip here that a lot of people don't know is that there are plenty of dropshipping suppliers right here in the States. So if you choose, you don't have to deal with overseas suppliers at all. And in that fashion, you can absolutely compete with not just print on demand shipping, but bulk inventory shipping as well. Next up, let's talk about marketing in both of these businesses. So in print on demand, the best way to market is absolutely already having a built-in audience. Like I was speaking about earlier, if you don't have a set of people that are like eager to learn more about you or connect with you more, it will absolutely be a challenge to go really to the moon with print on demand. Or you better have a viral design or a viral slogan or something that is just scroll stopping, that makes people want to learn more about your offer and ultimately buy it. Now for dropshipping, on the other hand, the marketing is totally different because no one knows you're a dropshipper. I guarantee you've shopped on dozens of online websites before that were dropshippers and you had no idea. So the marketing in the dropshipping world is exactly like the marketing in any other branch of e-commerce or business, because we're not telling people from the jump, hey, I'm a dropshipper, buy my things. No, we are limitless in our marketing and limitless in our offers. So you're not throttled by having to have some type of virality. All you need is a good product in front of the right audience at the right time for the right price. That's all marketing is anyway. And my favorite category is scalability, meaning how big can we make this business without breaking it or breaking me, honey? Because I need my money, but I don't need to be breaking my back to get it. And the clear winner here is absolutely dropshipping. Why? Because you are not, again, limited to 20, 50, 100 products that you can sell. As dropshippers, there is no limit to the amount of products that you can sell, upsell, cross-sell, or bundle. You've got options and options and options for days, with new options constantly coming into the market as the popularity of dropshipping continues to skyrocket. Not only that, you can build your website with so many automations and back-end perks that make your business run so much more seamlessly than a lot of different options. Because of Shopify, who we love, there are so many things built into the Shopify app store that are custom made for dropshipping. So you can truly run your entire business at scale from your cell phone or your laptop. It's just a win-win, no-brainer in this category. Now, here's the question that I want you to answer for me in the comments below. Which one are you going to choose? Here's my vote. If your focus is creativity and really putting your personalized stamp on something, then print on demand might be for you, especially if you've already got a ravenous audience ready, willing, and able to buy. If your focus is a little bit more like mine, where the money is all that matters and we want to succeed in this business and go platinum financially with the greatest ability to build a long-term brand and business, then I absolutely vote for Team Dropshipping. But you already knew that. All right, so now you know the difference between print on demand and dropshipping. You've seen the winners, you've seen the losers, you know about the money, you know about the restraints, you know about the pros, and you know about the cons. I would love to hear back from you. Tell me more about what you want to know about print on demand. What do you want to know more about dropshipping? I got you. Leave that for me in the comments below, and I'll make you a video especially about the topics that matter to you. In the meantime, catch me in my free dropshipping training. It just launched. I'm teaching you the ins and outs about dropshipping, how to build your business, and how to do it without showing up every single day on social media. And if you're not already doing it, make sure you're following me on Instagram for more tips and tricks that I drop every single day about business, entrepreneurship, and of course, e-commerce. That's it for me today. I will see you guys next time on Absolutely Abstin.